Could supermassive black holes be destroying the atmosphere of habitable exoplanets? This study, published in the Astrophysical Journal, reveals that the winds generated by these black holes can have a significant impact on the atmosphere of nearby exoplanets. There are two types of winds, those driven for the moment and those powered by energy. The energy-driven winds are especially worrying as they can strip an exoplanet of its atmosphere. Without an atmosphere, the possibility of life is drastically reduced. This means that we must pay attention to black holes, even those that are far away. Traditionally, the search for habitable exoplanets focuses on the habitability zone, where conditions are suitable to keep water in a liquid state. But this new approach leads us to consider additional factors that can influence habitability. In recent years, research has begun on the impact of supernovas, which can release enough radiation to sterilize a planet. Now, supermassive black holes are added to this list of potential threats to life on other worlds. The active galactic cores are those black holes that are in constant feeding, absorbing matter and releasing energy. This activity not only affects your immediate environment, but can also influence the habitability of nearby exoplanets. Scientists have found that the more massive and active a black hole is, the more energy it releases. This causes the atmosphere of the exoplanets to warm up, causing their molecules to escape into space more quickly and reducing their probability of being habitable. Simplified models of the study show that the winds of black holes can be divided into currents that affect the galaxy. Winds that do not cool have a more devastating effect, as they can expand and release energy in large quantities. Moreover, these black holes can release oxides of nitrogen that affect the ozone layer of a planet. Although this does not mean that there is no life, it does limit the chances of it developing on the surface. With all these new parameters in mind, the search for life in the universe becomes more complex, but also more precise. Each discovery brings us a little closer to understanding which worlds can truly harbor life. The search for life in the universe is a monumental challenge, but as we learn more about the factors that affect habitability, we can reduce the number of planets that we must consider, making the task a little less overwhelming.